švedskega slikarja in video umetnika Jorga Geismarja, ki so jo nocoj odprli v Koroški galeriji likovnih umetnosti v Slovenj Gradcu. Za Jorga Geismarja je svet, v katerem živimo, mnogo bolj kompleksen in skrivnosten, kot se nam zdi. Zato ima njegova razstava naslov Nepredvidljivo.
Unpredictable is a topic of my work for a long, long time. I was living the last 6 years in Tokyo, and when I moved to Tokyo, it was kind of change coming from glass to plastic. So I started working with cellophane. And cellophane is a transparent material, and it's also you can recycle it. So I thought it's a very interesting material for today and for future.
V ozadju njegovega ustvarjanja je vselej risba, za podlago pa namesto papirja celofan, namesto pisala pa dermatograf in barve za steklo.
What you don't know is more interesting what you know. So when you go through the exhibition, you will see a lot of things maybe you don't know. And maybe you should find out.
Celofan kot material za umetniški objekt je metafora za tanek sloj, ki naše misli in dejanja loči od fizičnega sveta.